The world of science fiction and comics had drastically changed after the success of the films under this company. Most of us know their movies, for example, Iron Man, Captain America and the Avengers, Thor, and many more. My name is Nicola Kate Basilan.
Kana Rizal Nicoti.
Ramos Ariel Joyce J.
Join us as we dive into the depths of the company's history and background. Marvel Studios LLC, formerly known as Marvel Films, is an American film and television production company. Marvel Studios is the creator of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, or the MCU, a media franchise and a shared universe of films and television series produced by the studio, based on characters that appear in Marvel Comics publications. As writers, Marvel Studios created a whole new universe based on interconnecting comics and the characters, given such depth that it created a deep connection with the audience. As said earlier, Marvel Studios is an American film production who created what most people know as the Marvel Cinematic Universe, or the MCU. They create movies based on existing comics and inspire storylines from various issues of a character. Most of these characters they have rights to are created by the esteemed writer Stan Lee. The MCU is filled with comic characters given such characteristics and depths that they create a cinematic connection with the audience. Marvel is one of the most beloved franchises in Hollywood and arguably in the whole world. It is a company creating characters and movies to entertain people. Why did we choose Marvel? One of us, me specifically, being a Marvel fan, chose this as some sort of tribute to the franchise that created my past and will create my future. As a writer, I was mesmerized by the writer's understanding of characters from the comics that only contained action scenes and different political, social, and emotional conflicts from the real world. It is also why it is one of the most beloved franchise in the Hollywood. They captured the cinematic experience the audience are looking for in a movie.
History. On August 7, 1996, Marvel Studios was created by Marvel, filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to raise money to, to finance the new corporation Marvel. It's the promoters Deep and Avi Arad sold Toy Biz stocks. Toy Biz filled an offering of 7.5 million shares with a closing price of $20.125 at the time, making the offering worth approximately $150 million. Toy Biz sought to sell 1 million shares. Jerry Calabrese, the president of Marvel Entertainment Group, and Avi Arad, head of Marvel Films and the director of Toy Biz, were assigned tandem control of Marvel Studios. Mission and moral beliefs. The mission statement for Marvel Studios is a vision as far-reaching as our story. Our mission to expand enables our legends like Thor and the X-Men to come to life in unexpected ways, to resonate with people today.
Marvel Studios' core values include expanding. Marvel's mission is to expand and bring their characters to life in unexpected ways. Resonating. Marvel's wants to resonate with people today and evolve with future generations. Being meaningful. Marvel Studios has shown that once a brand becomes meaningful to people, it doesn't matter what the competition is doing. Marvel Studios' main products and services are movies and TV shows based on Marvel's comics characters. Movies. The Marvel Cinematic Universe began with the 2008 film Iron Man and has included 34 movies, 11 television series, and 2 specials. TV shows. Marvel Studios produced live action and animated TV shows, including Marvel's Iron Man and His Awesome Friends, Lego, Marvel Avengers Mission Demolition. Marvel Avengers Code Red 2023, Marvel's Moon Girl and Devil Dinosaur 2023, Marvel's Spidey and His Amazing Friends 2021. Marvel Television. Marvel Studios also uses the Marvel Television brand and production label from some of its TV shows. Marvel Studios provides an immersive storytelling experience made to entertain comic book enjoyers and superhero lovers. It is a brain stretch to those who love to figure out plots and connect dots by looking at Easter eggs wrapped all over the scenes. Marvel's success in the film industry can largely be attributed to its ability to weave captivating storytelling and create relatable characters. This winning combination has allowed them to establish an emotional connection with audiences worldwide. The process can be challenging, with questions designed to gauge both your skills and your connection to the brand. While the atmosphere is energetic, it also demands a clear understanding of Marvel's culture. Overall, it's a solid opportunity for those who are genuinely invested in the industry.
Marvel Studios offers a variety of benefits to its employees, including health and wellness, health insurances, financial retirement, 401k plan, family, family and parenting, maternity and paternity leave, vacation and time off, paid time off, sick days, and vaccination, perks and discounts, employee discount. Marvel has promoted diversity and inclusion in a number of ways, including casting. Marvel has cast actors who are deaf to promote authentic portrayals of disabilities. They also have cast characters like Kamala Khan and Monica Rambeau in the Marvels. Recent films some recent Marvel films have featured diverse casts, including Captain Marvel 2019, The first female superhero led Black Widow. The second female superhero lead Shang-Chi and the Legend of Ten Rings 2021. The first Asian main character, Eternals, an openly gay character and the first deaf superhero. Thematic elements. Recent Marvel blockbusters have included themes of racial injustice, environmental catastrophe, and political misinformation.
Marvel Studios inno- innovates in several ways, including stable core. A small percentage of the crew remains the same from film to film, which provides continuity and a foundation for new voices. Selecting for inexperienced, Marvel Studios encourages adaptation and improvement, and promotes the idea that people can experience even if they are inexperienced. For example, Kevin For-
Feige.
Fe- Kevin Feige went from interning to becoming an associate producer, continuously challenging the formula. Marvel Studios is always looking to improve. Connecting properties. The Marvel Cinematic Universe, or MCU, includes movies, shows, and web series that share characters and acknowledge they are all part of the same universe. This provides connection across properties that fans of the comics love. Marvel Studios has several social initiatives, including Hero Acts, a, a, chari- a
Charitable.
a charitable initiative that raises funds for children's charities. Fans can upload photos with Marvel theme overlays to the Marvel Studios HeroActs.com website. Cast members can donate toy care packages to children's hospitals and post photos or videos of the toys to their social media channels. When the collective posts reach a million likes, Marvel donates $250,000 to a children's charity. Save the Children was the first nonprofit to participate in the initiative. Sustainable production. Marvel Studios has implemented several sustainability efforts on set, including using LEDs for 70% of set lighting, collecting used cooking oil and kitchen waste to be turned into biogas or given to farm animals. Reducing the use of single-use plastics by having a bring your own bottles policy. Using bamboo paper towels and toilet paper in trailers, sending environmental newsletters to the crew.
Diversity and inclusion. Marvel Studios is committed to representing diverse characters and backgrounds in its stories and employs diverse casts and crews. Philanthropy and community engagement. Marvel Studios supports children globally through its Hero Acts initiatives and contribute to disaster relief efforts. Environmental sustainability. Marvel Studios actively works to reduce its environmental impact through sustainable and production practices. Promoting positive values. Marvel Studios promotes positive values like courage and teamwork through its characters and participates in anti-bullying campaigns. Box office revenue. The Marvel Cinematic Universe, spanning 33 movies and counting, is the biggest movie franchise in history, having earned more than $29 billion worldwide. Its biggest movie being Avengers Endgame, which earned 357.12 million on its opening week and 2.8 billion worldwide. Job creation. Marvel Productions employ thousands in film production, visual effects, and related industries. Tourism. Marvel-themed attractions and filming location boost local economies' impact to the culture. Marvel stories inspire creativity and promote cultural exchange.
Marvel Studios key points. Creation and history. Marvel Studios, formerly Marvel Films, was established in 1996 by Marvel. It was created to raise funds and finance the new corporation. Key figures like Isaac Perlmutter, Avi Arad, and Jerry Galbraith played crucial roles in its early development. Mission and values. Marvel Studios' mission is to expand and bring their characters to life in unexpected ways, resonating with audience today and future generations. Their core values emphasize meaningfulness and creating a brand that resonates with people. Marvel Cinematic Universe or MCU. Marvel Studios is the creator of the MCU, a shared universe of films and television series based on Marvel Comics characters. The studio's success lies in its interconnected storytelling, creating a deep connection with audiences.
Marvel Studios' success stems from its masterful blend of compelling characters, innovative storytelling, and meticulously crafted cinematic universe that fosters audience engagement and loyalty, resulting in significant cultural impact and box office dominance.
Personal insights. Through innovative storytelling, meaningful characters development, and a commitment to resonance, Marvel Studios is known for its status as creative powerhouse. That would be all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.